In a groundbreaking collaboration, the BMW Group and Valeo have joined forces for the development of cutting-edge Level 4 automated parking solutions. This strategic partnership aims to revolutionize valet parking with automated systems that redefine convenience. Imagine dropping off your vehicle at a specific spot and having it autonomously find an empty parking space. The vehicle maneuvers into the parking spot, smoothly exits when needed, and even returns to the pickup area for your convenience. This cutting-edge technology utilizes either autonomous driving or an innovative teleoperated valet system. At CES 2024, visitors get a hands-on experience with teleoperated valet parking. This system provides complete control, particularly in challenging or unfamiliar environments. Sophisticated technology and live camera feeds allow teleoperators to skillfully park and retrieve vehicles, ensuring precision and safety. This groundbreaking venture promises a future where teleoperated valet parking could redefine convenience at events, airports, and even in the logistics sector.